Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rennie here again with Hunter. Just at home, and I just went and picked up the King's fridge from the shop because it broke down after, I don't know, probably used it like 30 times or something like that, and they want $500 to fix it. So I said don't worry about it because they're only worth $599. So don't waste your money on King's fridges because they're garbage. Now I'm annoyed, so I'm going to take out my annoyance on it at the range and shoot it with my bow. Cheers for watching. Alrighty. So even though that was quite satisfying, I'm not quite satisfied enough yet. So, yep, it's time to put this through it as well. Well, I feel a million times better. Before you guys think I'm overreacting, I checked out all the forums, I took it in, tried getting it fixed, and it's just not worth it. So unless you want to do the same thing as what I just did, buy an Engel or a Waco or something half decent and not a King's, because King's are garbage. So yeah, thanks for watching and tuning in, and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, cheers for watching.